Hi and welcome to E-ZTutoring. Today we're going to cover how you can find the remaining zeros when you're given a root. So when you're already given a root, you can go ahead and divide your polynomial by that root and see what you're left with, and from there you can find your remaining roots. The best way to divide by the root is by using synthetic division. So since our root is 3, we can put 3 in the box for synthetic division. And then go ahead and apply all the rules for synthetic division. If you are not familiar with synthetic division, be sure to check out my video on that. I'll do this quickly since it's not that important. I will assume that most of you already know how to do these steps right over here. And we get a remainder of 0. So now we went from x cubed and we divided by one root. So now this is going to be x squared. So we fill in the x's. 4x squared plus 3x plus 1. And of course our remainder is 0, which is good news, which means that this actually is a root. So after we took out a root of 3, pretty much we took out x minus 3 from this polynomial. Now we're left with 4x squared plus 3x plus 1. And from here, this is a simple trinomial. And from here, it's a lot easier to find our remaining roots. So to find our remaining roots from here, there are two things we could do. One, we can try factoring this by using the method when a is greater than 1. And to do that, we just need a table where we find a times c, which is 4 times 1, which gives us 4. And we need our b value. Whoops, I didn't mean to put that. I meant to put equals, which is 3. So now we just need two numbers that multiply to 4 and add to 3. I mean, what multiplies to 4? 4 times 1 and 2 times 2. Obviously, none of these add to 3. So this doesn't work, so you need to use the quadratic formula. So we can go ahead and plug into the quadratic formula for this and say that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, which is 16. And you can already see we're getting a negative number in the square root, which is why this method didn't work. All over 2a, 2 times 4, which is 8. So this is equal to negative 3 plus or minus 9 minus 16 is negative 7. So I will say I square root 7 all over 8. So these over here are your remaining roots. And that is how you can find your remaining roots when you're already given one root. So depending on how many roots you're given, you just want to go ahead and apply synthetic division. And then with whatever you're left with, follow the according method, one method you think would be best to find the remaining zeros. In this case, it happened to be quadratic formula. So that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys ever want ACT or SAT help, be sure to visit my website, www.e-ztutoring.com. Thank you guys, and have a good day.